Nevertheless, this concludes the lecture on how to deploy contracts, in particular how to mint tokens on the testnet. And I showed you two methods using the CLI, which has the advantage of just requiring the node and being quite lightweight, but also the disadvantage that you have to deal with strings and text all the time. So it's difficult to automate, not very high level, not type safe, and requires quite a lot of manual actions. And I showed you the PAB in the hosted scenario. So I explained the various deployment scenarios that the PAB offers, and the hosted one is more or less ready. So I was using that. Hosted means that the PAB needs control over the wallet. So in order to submit a transaction, it has control over the wallet and can therefore sign on behalf of the wallet. And I showed you how to set that up. So we needed to, in addition to the node, also run the wallet backend and the chain index and the PAB itself. And I showed you how to interact with the PAB. So how to activate contracts, and also here how to extract the observable state from a contract. As homework, I just would like you to try these things yourself. So try to mint tokens with the CLI or try to get the PAB working. I have to warn you, however, this is all very resource hungry. So I had to increase the size of my swap file to 50 gigabyte to get the chain index to actually sync. I mean, before that it was at 8 gigabyte, I think, and I have 16 gigabyte of RAM, and then my computer kept killing the process because it ran out of memory. And you must be patient because it takes quite a long time, a couple of days maybe, to sync everything. Nevertheless, we now saw various ways how to interact with the actual blockchain using Plutus.